Welcome back, boys and girls, to Math with Mr. Robinson. Listen, yesterday we've talked about being able to solve addition and subtraction problems using concrete materials. The day before that, Monday, we talked about solving addition and subtraction problems using pictures. Well, today we're going to talk about writing addition and subtraction sentences. We're going to be able to solve addition problems writing number sentences. So let's go ahead and get started for today. So you guys already know, first things first, we have to have our problems. So we're going to go ahead and read our problems. So right now what I want you to do is I want you to take this time, pause the video, and I want you to read this problem. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read it. 5 friends are playing in the pool. 2 friends get out of the water. How many are left in the pool? So here it is. We have our problem. This is our problem. So the first thing that we need to understand, we have to understand what's going on in the problem. So the first thing that we know is that we have friends that are playing in a pool. That's number one. We have friends playing in a pool. Now, we have to identify. So what is it that we know? We know we have 5, and I'm going to write that number on top. We have 5 that are playing in the pool. And then we also know that we have 2 friends that get out of the water. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to write what we know. So we have 5. So I'm going to write the number 5. And then I'm going to write this number 2. So I have 5 friends playing in the pool. Then I have 2 friends that get out of the water. So remember we talked about addition. And we said when we join something, we're bringing it together. Well, all of a sudden, we have 5 friends that are in the pool and boom, 2 leave out. So what does that mean? 2 leave. So when we say get out, what is that asking? What is that telling us? That's letting us know that, guess what? We are taking away from the 5 friends. If we drew that picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 friends are in the pool. Guess what happens? These 2 decide to exit. So we know that we're taking 2 out of the 5. So therefore, we're going to write 5 minus 2. Now, that is our sentence. That is our sentence. Now, here's the question. This is what they want to know. They want to know how many are left in the pool. How many friends are left in the pool? So remember, we drew the picture. So if we remove those 2, then we would have 3 that remains in the pool. Now, we can solve this problem also using the concrete materials. And then also we can do it using our count up method. So remember, our count up method, we always start with the lower number. So we start with 2. And what we're trying to do is we're getting to 5. So we're going to say 2 in our head, 2. And then we're going to look at our hands, and everything else we're going to count on our hands until we get to 5. So we're going to say 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Thank you guys for joining us today in our Math with Mr. Robinson. Listen, we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Tomorrow is basically going to be a quick little review, and then I'm going to have you go ahead and do the problems. Thank you. See you then.